is a good look. Big
Pass me man, pass in a can't see you, keep up. Pass in the mark, X-Park in a big M-badge, uptown killer.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel guys. So in this video, y'all know by the title and the thumbnail what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna try to do some probably some donuts, try to see if I could drift how the road right here is wet and it's behind the extra storage, so nobody is here. So I'm gonna try to see if I could drift it. I think two of my friends gonna pull up, I think. So let's wait and see. If not, we're gonna get to it. So I just put the 360 on the back of the F10 right there. You can see me right there. So now we're gonna test it out right now, guys, and see what I can do. So y'all gonna see it on the 360 cam, and when the boys come, when the boys get here, I should say, y'all gonna get more content. So stay tuned.
Why?
over and over
Strong
the
guy.
Oh man.
Just don't take the red light.
Shit.
Alright.
Damn.
Sounds good.
Torque is crazy.
One car, never
You see
mind.
this, guys? It's crazy. Oh shit! Damn! What the fuck? Damn! Yeah, this boy know how to drive. Oh, bro! What the fuck? The fuck? Oh shit! Oh damn! Okay. Shit! Damn!
I love this.
No traction. What the fuck?
Free. I feel free.
Don't go crazy now. Oh shit!
Yo.
What the fuck, bro? Oh shit! Oh shit!
Dude, I haven't even ripped this
Yo.
thing like that, bro.
Bro, what the fuck, bro?
Oh my god, bro.
Bro, what the fuck?
I feel free.
Bro,
I gotta do it.
what the fuck, bro?
I gotta do it.
Yo!
Hey, just
The
move
fuck,
that.
bro? It's fucking crazy!
Oh.
It's crazy, bro. Shit, the steering wheel feels pretty nice, too.
I'm telling you.
Damn.
Go back.
Yo,
Go back first. Go back first. You wanna feel the power going out?
this
One-
is crazy, bro.
You gotta put this some intake so we can hear the supercharge.
I know, and a pulley.
Ooh.
Front lip.
Well, I'm telling you.
Dude, that thing's already scratched.
Wait.
Shit! Damn!
Right here.
Rip that shit.
First gear, go.
Damn!
You need to go. Oh shit, what's that? Where did that come from?
What? It's fucking crazy. Yo, what the fuck?
Do it, floor it. Do it. Woohoo! Yeah!
Oh shit!
Yeah.
How the fuck you guys ripped this off? What the fuck?
You don't even know.
Dude, that's the side.
Hey.
Shit. That's fucking wild, bro.
Shit. Just go right in here. Well,
Get out the fucking way, I flashed him.
right here. You make a U-turn right there. Go all the way there. From the lip.
I got it. I don't want to. Dude, this guy ripped my fucking shit. Bro, on the inside of the car. What the fuck? It's crazy, bro.
Little burnout. He don't care about his tire either.
Nah,
Good.
bro.
He don't care. Well, yeah. Let her go. Just a little bit.
Nah,
a little
bro.
bit. Be a man.
Oh, man. You gotta video it, bro.
I'm doing it.
You gotta video outside the car.
Shit, I'm going out.
Please, not too small. Nah.
Going out.
No, bro. You could have stayed in the car. Oh.
No, do it. Traction control. Wait. Traction control.
Wait. in track mode. God, bro.
No
shit.
traction.
Okay, guys. The
No
ZL1. You want no traction?
No,
We're on
yeah.
the back, guys.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Wait. No.
Right here. Should.
Why is it?
Yeah, right there.
No, wait.
Why isn't it wet? I don't want it wet.
So there's, you could do traction off,
Mm-hmm.
or you could do that, which is StabiliTrak performance.
Why go down?
Are you fucking kidding me?
Wait.
Oh, it's this. It's this.
Okay.
This.
Race.
The ZL1, guys.
Go, Byron.
This shit fast, bro. 650 horsepower. Shit's crazy. Shit's crazy, bro. Freaking crazy. Shit's crazy. I'll show you guys the interior. It's like sick, bro. It's crazy fast. Interior's freaking nice.
Driving.
Shit's nice. The whole car is moving, bro. Like,
Red line.
yeah, sure.
Yeah, I guess the boys just get in here. Got the owner with the ZL1 right here. Got my boy with the 330. So we're gonna see what we got. But I think I'm gonna let him test drive this one. The one in the 330. I'm gonna let him test drive my 535. And let's see.
The more.